Make a great choice today with
the 2022 Wagoneer. The Jeep Wagoneer was the first 4x4 luxury truck offered. The Wagoneer was an SUV before the acronyms even existed. This 4x4 was designed with a revolutionary engine that allowed it to have power steering and an automatic transmission years before competitors could do the same. But it was the luxury that set this 4x4 apart. So if you want comfort, reliability, and outstanding ability, the Jeep Wagoneer is waiting for you. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, stability control, tire pressure monitor. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.